I'm so tired. This is not possible. But I'm doing well.
Now I'm strong, feel better, and so cool.
Oh my God, viewers, this is a completely new idea and a fresh niche. I've brought something absolutely free for all of you. Today, I'm going to use a free tool to generate this type of video. Alright viewers, without wasting any time, first of all, go to YouTube and search for the channel Fastest Fred. As you can see, this channel has 43K subscribers and is performing really well. Now, the first thing I want to check is whether this channel is monetized or not. So, copy the channel link. After copying it, go to Social Blade, paste the link there, and search for it. As you can see, oh my God, this channel is earning between $974 to 16K per year. Its monthly earnings go up to around 3.1K. This means the channel is earning really well. Also, this channel was created recently in 2025. It hasn't even been a full year yet, approximately 6 to 10 months, and it's already generating great income. This clearly shows that the content is going viral. Now let's go back to the channel. I want to show you its popular videos. You can see that it creates content related to food and health. This means the content is highly beneficial for viewers. When you create this type of channel, the main reason it gets views is because people are interested in topics like diet plans, overcoming laziness, and how to work out. This falls under the health category. You can check the views one by one. This channel uploads only 1 to 2 videos per week, yet every video gets excellent views. Also, take a look at the thumbnails. They are very well designed. The character used is consistent, which is a very important factor. This proves that this niche is highly trending and has strong viral potential. Now, let me take you to the master prompt. I have already created a master prompt that includes everything. Prompt structure, character design, 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts, and a complete story flow. I've also highlighted key parts for clarity. Alright viewers, you simply need to copy this prompt and go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt there, and click on Generate. Within seconds, your 10 scenes will be ready. As you can see, this prompt is extremely powerful. Just copy and paste, and everything is generated instantly. You'll notice that all prompts include consistent characters. The character does not change anywhere, which is the biggest strength of this prompt. Each scene is unique and highly trending. Now, what you need to do is copy all these scenes and paste them into a document file, then save it. After saving, let's move to the image section. For image generation, open the Flow AI website. It is 100% free, which is why I'm using it. Click on Create with Flow, then select New Project. Go to the image section, choose Nano Banana 2, set your resolution and aspect ratio, then paste your first prompt and click Generate. As you can see, the first image has started generating. After a short wait, oh my God, your first image is ready. This is amazing. Now I'll enter the second image prompt, and you can see the second image is also ready. This means the image quality is very good. Similarly, you can generate all images one by one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, to save time. After generating all images, you can see the final results. Oh my God, this is amazing. The best part is that all images have the same consistent character. There is no change in the character anywhere. This proves that the prompts are working perfectly. Now, what you need to do is download 5 to 6 scenes from here, because I'm going to show you another tool next, which is also 100% free and used for video generation. So let's move to the video section. Alright viewers, so the very first 100% free tool is called Key AI. This website is extremely good and completely free. First, let's talk about the taskbar. Here you can see options like video generation, image generation, music generation, and chat, all available in one place. If we talk about its providers, there are many tools available here such as Grok and more. But today, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok for free. As you can see, there are many tools available, but instead of the first or second option, you need to go to the third one. When you click on it, you will see Grok Imagine below. This tool takes only 20 credits, and when you log in with your personal account, you get 8 credits. That means you can easily create 4 to 5 shorts from here. Now I've clicked on Grok. Here you can generate image to video, text to video, and text to image. Everything is available. First, I will upload my first image. Then I'll go to the prompt section, copy a good prompt, and paste it there. After selecting the ratio and settings, I'll click on Generate. As you can see, my first image to video has started generating. You just need to wait for about 1 minute and boom, my first image to video is ready with voiceover.
You keep saying tomorrow, but tomorrow never shows up.
Okay viewers, this is so good and amazing. Now I select the second image, give it a strong prompt, and this time I click on Spicy because I want a slightly more engaging video. Again, I click on Generate, wait for a moment, and you can see my second image to video is also ready with voiceover.
Scrolling, eating, wasting hours. This is your daily routine now.
This tool is very good and 100% free. Now what you need to do is select the third image, fourth, fifth, sixth, however many you want. You can generate all your videos one by one like this. Alright viewers, now let's move to our second tool. I'll go back again to Flow AI. This platform gives you 50 daily credits. Now I'll show you which tool to use and how to use it for video generation that takes only 10 credits and creates a full video. First, I select an image, give it a good prompt, and here you need to choose Veo 3.1 Lite. This is a newly released feature that only takes 10 credits and generates a complete video for you. Now you just need to wait a little and click on Generate. I've also selected my second and third images and added prompts for all of them. They are now generating, and you can see, oh my god, the final look is ready. All 3 videos are generated. Now I simply download them in 720p quality. After downloading, let's move to the editing section. For editing, I open CapCut, drag all the videos into the timeline, and arrange them in sequence. If there is any logo, I use the zoom option to adjust it. And now you can see, my final video is ready. I simply export it and play it for you. Oh my god viewers, this video is so amazing, so trending, and has a very high chance of going viral.
Scrolling, eating, wasting hours. This is your daily routine now.
I'm so tired. This is not possible. But I'm doing well.
You can easily upload this type of video on your YouTube channel. Inspirational type videos are highly trending right now. Alright viewers, I hope you really liked today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel because we truly need your support. I'll see you in the next video with a new idea and another free tool. Till then, goodbye.